given circle is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 equal to 0. Given one end of the diameter, capital A 2, 3. Next, center C equal to 4, 4. Center C 4, 4. Let SAB be second end of the diameter. Therefore, C is midpoint of AB. C is midpoint of AB. C point 4, 4. Apply midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 2 plus a by 2, 3 plus b by 2, 2 plus a by 2 equal to 4, equating x coordinates. 2 plus a equal to 8. A value 8 minus 2, 6. Similarly, calculate b value. 3 plus b by 2 equal to 4. 3 plus b equal to 8. B value 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, that equal to 5. Therefore, capital B AB equal to 6, 5. 6, 5. 6, 5. Next, second exercise, example problem. Page number 24. Example 18. Find the length of the chord. Take this diagram. Find length of the chord. X minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Write down. Given circle is x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0. 2g value -1, 2f value 3, c value -22, -22. Therefore, center g value -1/2, f value 3/2. Therefore, center -g minus f 1/2 -3/2. R value under root g square plus f square minus c 1/4 plus 9/4 plus 22. 4 LCM 4 LCM under root 1 plus 9 plus 88 1 plus 4 plus 88 under root 98/4 98/4. R value 2 table 49 times 2 table 2 times cancel. R value 7/√2. R value 7/√2. This is AB. This is center C. So what is AB formula? AB equal to 2 into under root R square minus D square. R is over D. What is D? Distance from center to the line. Center to the line. D, what is C point? 1/2 comma minus 3/2. So first calculate D point. Write down. D equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 c by under root a square plus b square modulus of 1/2 plus 3/2 minus 3 by under root a square value 1, b square value 1. So take LCM, 2 LCM, 1 plus 3 minus 6, 1 plus 3 minus 6, 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 2/2 minus 2/2. 2 to cancel. 2 to cancel. So D value 1. D value this is root 2 minus 2/√2. Root 2 times cancel. So D equal to there is a small mistake. 2 LCM 1 plus 3 minus 6 modulus of minus 2 by 2 by root 2. 2 cancel. So d value 1 by root 2. So r value 7 by root 2, d value 1 by root 2. Therefore length of the chord AB equal to 2 into under root r square minus d square r square 49 by 2 minus d square value 1 by 2 into square root of 2 LCM 49 minus 1 2 table 24 times cancel. 2 into under root 4 into 6 that equal to 4 root 6. 4 root 6.